look like Ariana Grande. Anyways, yeah. Anyway, y'all, look at me. Look at me. We finna do this different type of video. Okay, finna do is we finna make a Halloween costume. We finna try to make a Halloween costume. So I wasn't finna spend no hella money on no costume to cut it up. So I went to Dollar General and I found this. It's a little boy costume. You know, everybody wear this. But yeah, that's what we're working with. Also, got this. I feel like I could do some of that. So then I also got this one. I feel like this one was cute. This is probably the one that I'm going to use. And by the way, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We finna just wing it. And then I also grabbed this wig that we finna open this right now because I know it's for costume, but like Halloween wigs. I'm dumb. I'm dumb as fuck. Why is the TV on? Anyways, we finna see what this talk about. Anyways, here go my new joint. Amazon HD lace wig. Oh. Get off of me. She already fucked up. Alright, so this her. She shedding like a mother trucker. But oh, I look like Ariana Grande. Anyways, the costume. It's pretty damn big to be for a kid, but a little boy. But here she goes. So we finna see. What I can do with it. And then it came with this hood, but I don't know how this is supposed to work. I'm probably not gonna use this because I'm going to use it. Because I'm gonna use this. So I feel like I wanna cut this up like some type of way. Okay, but like I was saying, yeah, we finna see what we can do with this. We got this little belt with it. Mask, like I said. And then that's it. Like, you know, just a regular ghost face costume. I'm gonna put it on first so we can see like what it look like. I'm not gonna put this wig on probably until the very end because I gotta do something with this first. And don't say nothing about my hair. Don't do it because your mama. Just kidding. I look like trash bag, but this what this bad boy look like. I just feel real crazy. But like I said before. And then we got this, but I don't know, like I wanna make it cute. Like, hell no, I would never do that, but I just probably like I'm feeling like skirt. Because I would put stockings on. Okay. I'm thinking skirt. Hold on. Like, y'all, I forgot I had this witch hat. So instead of using that mask, I'm gonna just go ahead and use the witch hat, and we gonna do us a little cute little witch number. Okay, that had to come in and say that. All right, so I made a little outline of where I want to cut for the neck because I don't like that neck, and I want it to be kind of off the shoulder. So, but not too much off the shoulder, like just a little, I'm not gonna cut too much for it to be off the shoulder. I'm gonna cut a little bit and then like pull it down and then like make it off the shoulder that way because I don't want to cut too much and then it be too loose and I can't wear it. So then right here, I made another mark of where I'm going to cut across and like basically just split it in half, and it's gonna be like basically the top and then a skirt. And then we're going to use this little extra piece of string to tighten up the size of the skirt and kind of have the strings dangling. And then for the sleeves, I'm going to just cut up the sleeve and then kind of give it more of a like flowy, I don't know what you call that, like a flowy sleeve, kind of how it already is, but just a little bit more open. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. trust the process. Okay, so this is what we working with right now. So I basically cut it into two. You got top and the bottom, and then there's the string. Now I'm gonna come back after I do what I do to the skirt. Okay, so, y'all, so for the skirt, because it got this stupid ass hole right here, I don't really know what that is, but when I put it on, it's kind of cute, like off to the side, so that's why the seam is like right here, and this is how I have it placed. But this edge, I'm gonna cut that all the way down, and I'm gonna use the string, wherever that went, to tie it, because I tried to tie it without like cutting it at all, and it just was looking weird. So I'm gonna just cut down the line, and I'm gonna probably put two holes, one on the front and then one on the back, and then I'm going to string the string through the hole. This is kind of a different type of video. Like, it's not really like my usuals and my tutorial, like my ghetto tutorials, but this is more so I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm about to do, and then I'm gonna just show you how it came out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so y'all, these are the final pieces. Now, okay, it look a little wonky, but let's try it on and style it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is what we got so far. This is stupid ass big ass hole. I don't know what it's doing there, but we're gonna make it work. But this is what we're working with so far. Nothing major in the back, just this. Okay, so now what I'm not liking is how baggy the shirt is. So what I have, also I went and I put on some tights, ripped them up, you know, just to give it a little bit more, you know, I don't know. I found this that I had. Don't laugh at me. It's like I don't know what this is. Got it from the Goodwill, but I felt like I wanted some type of like corset or something. So let's just see. Okay, let's just see. It might look stupid. It might look real stupid, but we just trying some shit. We just trying shit. Ain't no big deal. Ain't nobody said I was finna walk out the house like this. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. Like that, I don't know. So I just feel like with this, it kind of looks dumb. And with this whole, like, I don't know. I could be tripping though. Like, and then it got this part that's like zipper. Like, I think this is a waist trainer. But, oh, okay. And then like, yeah. And then maybe, what the fuck it look like with the zipper? I don't know anymore. Like, does this not look dumb? First of all, why is it crooked like that? Okay, so this is what she looked like so far. Honestly, I don't know no more. Like, I feel like for a costume, like, it's cool. Like, this ain't no shit to be wearing, like, kicking it or nothing. But, like, for a costume, I feel like that's kind of cool. I do feel like I want to find something else to do with this piece of string. So, like, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so this is what we got. Off the shoulder, look, maybe I want a little bit more off the shoulder. I kind of like the straps being right here, because the references that I seen, like, you know, they kind of was giving little corset. They had like some shit like this. So like, I feel like that don't look too bad, but like, I might be tripping. I might really be looking like foolish as fuck, and can't tell. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and whatever makeup, and then find whatever shoes I would do with this. But so far, this is what she looking like. Just think about where I came from though. Y'all seen that? What the package that? Y'all seen this? I went from this to this. But okay, y'all, and this is the finished look. This is what we working with. We is that witch, period. But yes, just paired it with these boots, threw these earrings on, put a little spider web on my face, threw the hat on, and this is how she looked. This is what we came up with. Last minute quick DIY Halloween costume. Thank y'all for watching, and happy Halloween.